Hi, we are from Team JAP. We will explain to you our process of designing. This is Adrian, a student majoring in technology. His habit is he likes to read summary from trusted resource and read investment article. He also likes watching videos of people reviewing company. And the goal that he wants to achieve is invest safely and in the right investment product, fundamentally and technically. He often sees social media and many people share about investment product. This causes Adrian to feel FOMO in making investment decision. Besides that, he also feels lack of knowledge in making investment choices. He also tried his own investment without knowing the knowledge of investment and investment guideline. It caused him to lose some of his money when investing. He only buys investment products that he feels are good by using feeling. Therefore, he tries to see the profile and background of the company, read articles and news about stocks, hear other people's opinion, and interest in investing in order to reduce the losses he experienced and learn from his previous mistake.
Therefore, we created SeaFast, a feature on SeaBank that behaves as a safe and educational investment platform solution, so that Adrian no longer needs to be afraid to invest because of the social impact. The features we offer are a risk profiler and a personal portfolio, where Adrian can create his own investment portfolio according to the risk and the nature of its investment decision, so Adrian doesn't have to doubt about his investment performance. SinVest also has a feature of buying and selling mutual funds easily, equipped with good UI UX, making the user experience to the next level, equipped with important info such as investment risk that allows Adrian to think about the risk. The last one will be market summary feature and learn from the expert. This feature contains market conclusion from that day, that week, and that month, so Adrian no longer needs to invest articles read one by one, coupled with more from the expert feature where Adrian can learn with the experts by attending events and watching their videos.
For the result of our solution is, Adrian now will have deeper understanding about the investment product. Second, he will understand what type of investor he is. Third, he will understand about the risk that may happen when investing. He will know what is the low risk, the high risk, and the moderate risk. And last, he can choose what investment product that can be tolerated by him. That's all from us. Thank you.